Hello everyone, welcome to my Earthkids channel. Zebras will help protect them from predators. Baby zebras are called foals. They love to eat plants, leaves, grass. Zebra is a beautiful animal. Male zebras are called stallions. The females are called mares. They have brown hair on their head to neck. Every zebra has a different stripe patterns. It is a wild animal. They have short fur with black and white stripes. They belong to the horse family. So friends, please like and share the video. Thanks for watching the video.